Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Shomu's Biology. In this video, I'm going to answer one of the most asked questions, that is how to download CSIR NET free PDF books. Yes, CSIR NET Life Science PDF books for free. And I'll tell you exactly how to get the PDF books. Although, I am a person who prefers to read from the hard copy book always, because PDF book gives a lots of strain to the eye. But still, if you want to get it, I'll tell you how exactly where to get the PDF books and details. Now regarding that, there are 13 units in CSIR NET Life Science, and for individual units I recommend at least one book, 1 to 2 books. So here for individual units we have book, and the book list is already provided in the video that I uploaded earlier regarding the CSIR NET के लिए सबसे best book कौन सा है, and you can watch that video. CSIR NET के all the related books you'll get the video. One video is in Hindi, another video is in English. Both are there, दोनों ही हैं. अभी यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि कहाँ से PDF कॉपी के तरह वो बुक आपको मिल सकता है. यहाँ पे हर एक बुक को मैं तो यहाँ पे दिखाऊंगा नहीं, so I'll not be discussing about every single type of books. I'll only talk about few examples to give you an idea about the number of books that are available. So I'll take you to my computer screen. This is the website that you need to actually go inside, www.pdfdrive.com. Okay, this website has a huge reservoir of PDF books, and these books are free, and every single time the new book comes in, new edition comes in, they add the book. One thing I liked about this PDF drive is that they not only keep the books, but they also keep updating the edition. That's a very good thing. And you can not only search for the book, but also multiple editions you will get according to your requirement. What you need to do is basically sign in. Okay, sign up for this, and then you can search in the book. For example, if you start with Leninger Principle of Biochemistry, Nelson and Cox, I can easily get the book. You can see that there are plenty of book. 5th edition book is there, and 6th edition book is there. Okay, so there are plenty of books out there. You can see that Principle of Biochemistry, there are solution manuals are out there. Every single thing related to this keyword is available here. You can download the number of pages listed, the year of that book's publishing is listed, everything is listed basically. You can easily download, and how much MB of data will be consumed, that is also listed. Everything is listed in there. Okay, so according to your need you can download. For example, Bruce Albert's cell biology book, that is another important one, molecular biology of the cell, and there's a 4th edition book. You can see the 5th edition book, and everything is listed in here. You can easily get to know about this book. Similarly, you can let's say in unit 5, that is developmental biology, I recommend Gilbert developmental biology book. You can easily find it out, Gilbert developmental biology. And here we go with the 8th edition of 9th edition of Gilbert's biology book is listed in this website. Isn't it cool? It is. And similarly, many other books that you want, the peer-reviewed books, which are international standard books. These are the standard books that you need to read for your basics to clear and qualify for the CSIR NET examination. So you name the book. So let's say Kubi for immunology. You can easily get this, and this has a tons of book listed in here. But do sign up and then check these books, and then only you can download the books. And make sure that you keep clear the cache and history of your browser, so that the download works smooth and fine for PDF drive. So this is where you'll get all the books according to the book list that I already provided to you, and I'll try to put the book list other than this as well here in this video. I'll attach it there so that you get to know about it. Watch that video on the best books, and then watch this particular video to get to know where to download these books. Okay, because this book will definitely help you for the preparation. Now if you don't want to prepare for all these different books for the 13 units, then there is only one book that can save you. One ebook is there that can save you, and that is the book that is produced by me. Basically in Shomu's Biology we produce the all-in-one master ebook. That master ebook actually contains all the necessary information needed from all these peer-reviewed books based on individual topics and units. Okay, so for every single unit, the important topics, let's say some book contains, let's say for example in genetics we have Russell I genetics, we have Watson's molecular genetics. Those 2 books are out there. Now the topics which are very well illustrated in I genetics, we keep that. The topics which are very well illustrated in Watson's genetics book, we keep that portion. And also the topics which is more important and well described in the Benjamin Lewin gene series, we keep that. So we keep all these units and paste these units, cut, paste, and make this all-in-one master ebook, which is basically जो होता है ना बुक को हम टिक मार्क करके देते हैं, वैसे हम रेडी करके दिए हैं. दैट कैन डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द बेस्ट बुक्स and where to download the CSIR NET Life Science books in PDF format for free. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.